Hey guys, Nick Armenis here. Today I want to share with you a very recent update from Google Ads where we can actually now add negative keywords to Performance Max campaigns. This was done a week or two ago, and basically before you couldn't really control which keywords you appeared for in Performance Max or PMax campaigns. And the downside to this is you would have seen a lot of the time you come up for keywords either you don't want, like your brand, or I've seen some random things like, bathrooms near me, cafe near me, and people wanting direction requests to places, particularly if you're optimizing for sales and local store visits. I just found that quite often it was really, really annoying that these keywords would come up and occasionally they'd get conversions, so PMax would keep showing ads for them. And so now we can actually control. I believe you can only add 100 at the moment. I could be wrong on that, but that's from memory what the update said. And before, you basically had to fill out this long form, ask your rep, create a negative keyword list. That's something you could do now, is create a negative keyword list of either keywords are like branded and you want to have a brand and non-branded PMax, or you just want to exclude brand altogether. Now, how do you do it? It's going to be a quick video. So go to your Performance Max campaigns here. All of these are paused in this account at the moment, but if you click into the Performance Max campaign, and if you want to know whereabouts keywords you're appearing for are, it's in Insights. I'll take you through this shortly, but I'll show you now how to quickly go and add a negative keyword to a Performance Max campaign. So click Keywords, click the plus. Now you could create as I said, a negative keyword list. Oh, it looks like Performance Max cannot have negative keyword lists. Okay, well there you go. You actually can't. I'll create a new key list. Let's see if we can. So we'll put, let's do exact for now, brand name. And you could do it more. You could do a broad match. You can do anything you want. Exact match. Potentially using exact match and finding the exact ones is not a bad outcome. If you go broad, you may exclude some things that you want to come up for. But then you just click save, and that's it. You now will not appear for that with the Performance Max campaign, giving you some more control back. I'd like to see more controls come back to advertisers so that we can decide where and when our ads appear, and do some manual optimizations that machine learning just sometimes isn't quick enough to do. If you want to know where your keywords are that you're appearing for in PMax campaigns, you go to Insights. Under Insights and Reports, you go to Insights. You scroll all the way down here to the Search Terms Insight section, and in here, select a nice time frame. Like if you're wanting to make a negative keyword list, like we just did there, make a list of keywords to add as negatives, go here, then just go, you could go by what you're getting clicks for, impressions. You can go by clicks because that's probably most going to correlate to the highest spend, and then just sort out which one. Now this in particular, I know this is their brand name, Urban Pad Furniture. You'd grab it, you could make a list of keywords, you could download this list and filter it and find out what you want. You could go back over to keywords here and add this in here, Urban Pad Furniture, click save, and there you go. You can make a list of these. Over time, just watch what you're appearing for. Then you can create a branded Performance Max campaign or a non-branded Performance Max campaign. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.